Hi everyone. Welcome back, maybe. Yeah, whatever. Hi. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a clothing haul. So, basically, uh, this week, or you can say maybe previous month, like in between. So, recently, I got these clothes for myself. Some of them are like thrifted because I love thrifting, and some of them are new. Like some means like only two, मतलब सिर्फ दो ही है. One of them I'm wearing, and this is the red. So I'm gonna be wearing, styling them, and gonna give you like a fashion show, something like that. I mean, I just want to do this, so I'm gonna do that, and uh, in advance, I would like to say that I might do something, some weird shit, in excitement or things like that, and don't expect me to say sorry. I'm not gonna be apologizing for being myself, so I'm not gonna do that. So हाँ मैं थोड़ी weird हो सकती हूँ, over excited हो सकती हूँ, which might for you guys seem like overacting or whatever, but I really don't care about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be myself and doing some weird shit, being happy and this and that. I love clothes and wearing them. Obviously, you might know if you watch my Instagram reels. So yeah, let's start with the first article. So the first one is this. I don't know what you call it, but it's like very comfy and soft. So this is the first thing, and to make an outfit out of this, we're gonna wear this plain uh, black. It's not jeans. It's this material is like I don't know, maybe trouser kind of material. So I'm gonna wear this with that, and it's not my fitting. Most of the clothes I didn't got fitted, so I'm gonna be doing a jugaad, which is like safety pins, obviously. So let me wear this one, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the second article that I brought. It's actually a trouser kind of material that I already said you. Told you guys, okay? And yeah, I brought this one to wear it on like formal days and stuff like that because college में हर बार मेरे को सूट पहनने में आलस आता है. So yeah, and I was only wearing like damn that the one we got it from the college, like college uniform. Formal pants. So I only had that one. So I thought I would get this one. It was nice, and this is really good. And yeah, and you won't believe it's like just 50 rupees. Yeah, I'm telling you guys that because I don't feel clothes supposed to be for. This is good. 50 rupees for a pant like this, I would give it. You know. So yeah, so this one I got it for that, and it's pretty much comfy and good, and I thrifted it. So much struggle, but yeah, I got the best quality uh, pant or whatever. So yeah, this is the one, and I think we can start it with the other one that I have. I mean, so this is the like third piece that I got. It is the high turtleneck. I think that is what we call it. So this is that, and it's brown and thing. The time I got this one, like when I was like searching for the good piece, and I got this one, and I immediately felt like, damn, that is like Pinterest top, and I just without any second thought, I just picked it, and I was like, I want this one. This is also 50. See, you guys won't believe it. I'm showing you guys like some people might not like it because some people are not into thrifting and stuff, but people who are into thrifting, they know what I'm saying, they know, they are my people. So whatever. And I don't know oh man, what I'm saying, I don't know. But yeah, this is turtleneck and the quality is damn good. Like, you won't believe it's 50 until I tell you. See what I'm saying? So yeah, this is another one, and let me wear this. I think it might suit with this one. So we're gonna check that. Okay, you guys would not believe this how it turned out. It's looking so good. So be prepared, guys. Ta-da! Man, I can't believe how it looked. See, it's so pretty. It's giving like such a that wintry vibe of New York and this. And I have this one another like piece, a long coat, so I would like to try that. It's not that I've brought it, I already have this one for God knows what reason, because we aren't going anywhere, you know, especially some icy place. So yeah, but still, let's try it. See, this is that piece, and just to give it a more, you know, styling and stuff, I'm gonna wear this beautiful watch that my brother brought. So ta-da. So this is how it looks, and prepare yourself for this moment, guys. The moment you do like this, all it needs are just perfect boot, and then it's damn good. I mean, just look at how good it looks. See? It's giving such a good, you know, that business woman kind of vibe that you see in Korean shows and stuff like that. Damn, I'm in love with this outfit right now. कितना मस्त लग रहा है भाई. कौन believe करेगा? This is like what? The inner piece is like 100 now, 50-50. I don't know about the code. That this one is not thrifted or at all. I think it's pretty costly because it's like heavy and stuff. This was, I don't know. I just have it. So yeah, this is how it looks. And see the watch. Like, I'm busy. Bye. Talk to you later. This is so good, guys. This is so good. Okay, next, up to the next one. We'll go. See, you can just wear it like this. You just pull it off, and then you're that one classy dash dash. I'm not saying bad words. Yeah. This is how it looks. Let's move on to the next piece. Okay, next up we have this brown printed, this brown pant that I thrifted. I mean, look at it. How beautiful it is. It got this print over here. It's actually not print, it is, I don't know what you call it, but it's a sewing you do, right? That, and it has here also and here also. So basically I love this, and this one is also 50. I don't know why I'm saying rates, but I'm not the one who's like selling and everything, but yeah, it's worth it. I think it should be more costly, but I got it for 50. So let's try it on. So up next we have this pant. Isn't it beautiful? I can't believe I've got this clothes for so cheap, you know. It should be more costly, but yeah, me the lucky girl. So this is how it looks. It's such a comfortable and good, and you know my size is like way too less, so finding my size fit is like damn hard. I'm telling you, like 28 is my waist, and it's, this one is like exact 28, but still doesn't fit me so good because it's insured, so it's like fitting a bit. But yeah, I don't know about that. But yeah, mine was, the last time I checked, it was 28. I think I lose more of the weight. One day I'm just gonna be disappearing, guys. So just when I do disappear, you know the reason, you know. So exactly, and this is that. I loved it, and I think this one is looking good. But let me try with this one beautiful shirt that I brought. And also, Rude did yesterday. उसमें I think I was washing dishes, okay, और उसमें तेल लग गया. Like fuck. Man, अभी मेरे को YouTube करना पड़ेगा कि उसको निकालना कैसे, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो रहेगा. Luckily it's just a bit, so I don't know about that. So yeah, let me just wear. So this is the shirt I have, and my parents really didn't like this one. They were saying कि क्या भाई, you know, पुराने ज़माने के लोगों का पहन लिया, but they don't know my style, so I don't again care about that. So I know it looks really big, but let me just wear it and show you guys how it looks. Okay, I don't know if you guys like it or not, but I really loved it. Like wearing a watch like this and then just leave it up like that from the front and see the back too. It looks so good, right? Like it's just beautiful. So yeah, this one is also really cheap, and if I tell you, you wouldn't believe it, man. So I'm not gonna tell you. You better just guess the price of the shirt and comment down in the comment box and let me know. जिसका भी सही होगा I'll reply obviously. I mean वैसे मैं सबको reply करती हूँ, but yeah, I just say yes, this is the right answer. So just guess the price of this shirt, okay? And yeah, this is how it looks. एकदम परफेक्टली नाइस. बस इसके मेरे पास जूते नहीं है भाई. मेरे को लाइक जूते के लिए अभी इन्वेस्ट करना है बिकॉज मेरे को जूते नहीं मिलते अच्छे वाले. अभी मेरे पास एक ही पेयर है विच आई ऑलवेज वेयर इफ यू आर माय फ्रॉम माय कॉलेज एंड समवन who knows me, they will know I wear this one damn shoes every fucking time, like every time. So yeah, but why? I'm so happy. I don't know. You might judge, and you know what? Just judge. I don't care. But I just love it. And you know why I'm so happy? I just want to tell you in the middle of the video. This is already going to be long, I think. But still, I'm going to tell you because I want to. So, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा खुश इसलिए हूँ because for the first time I went out for shopping and thrifting, like basically shopping. I never went out to shop for myself. I always got clothes from my mom. Whatever she brings, I'll just wear it, and somehow it always has to be something that I like. So I never had to go, and I literally said the whole thing. और ये बीच में सड़ा हुआ मेरा फ़ोन का स्टोरेज फुल हो गया जिस वजह से it got cut out. So I'm gonna continue the thing because I don't know. So like I don't ask money from my mom and dad, okay, to like buy things and that. Like not usually, especially for big stuff, like clothes and stuff, like printout वगैरह. If I don't have an ask. So yeah, I did that hustle and got some money, like 1,000 or something. And for the first, like every time I get it, I'll just spend it on eating or just buy something for my parents, this and that. But this time I really brought something for myself, which my mom also was happy about it. Like, damn, you brought something for yourself like that. So yeah, it's this whole thing is a big deal for me, okay? So do not comment something shit that will ruin my mood. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Like, move on to the next. And this is the another piece that I got it. Oh no, it was that one. So yeah, this is the next up we have. So this one is like really tall, okay? From like you can just see if I keep it here, like going till my feet. So it's like really long. So this would really suit someone who's like 6 feet or something. So yeah, but it's like way too big for me. But somehow we're gonna manage because I love the color. It's like so my style is like a street style, okay, if you know about it. So I really love pants or tops or shirts or whatever, the printed shirts. It's like it gives you creaky vibes. I must say, yeah. Not creepy, okay, creaky or it just vibe well. Understand the emotion, guys. So yeah, that's where this one. This t-shirt is like also thrifted, and these are the pants. I really want to show you how long it is. Like I can, if it like fold it down from the beneath, I mean down, it will look perfectly fine. But this is this much how long it is, man. Like see, it's huge for me. But yeah, it fits well, and I can't show you from the back because pin नहीं लग रहा था उसमें और अब वो मैंने कुछ तो जुगाड़ किया which really looks ugly. Obviously it's gonna look ugly if you say. So yeah, I can't show you from the back, but yeah, this is how it looks from the front. How cool is this? I can't believe I brought such a nice clothes, and it makes like I brought clothes, but more like outfits, because I got such a good outfit. See how good it looks. Wait, let me just show you my feet to you all, okay? I hope it's visible. So I can literally do, mop this whole ground with it. It's like this ground. So this is how it looks. Moving on to the next piece, which is this damn good jacket. This one is like not thrifted, okay? So this is the next, and let me wear this without making this video so long. Okay, so this is the next thing we have, and this is how it looks. This jacket is like so comfortable, you know. I don't know the price of this one because my mom brought it. Uh, so yeah, I must take them. So yeah, this is like comfortable and best, and this is how it looks. Pretty fire. So now, okay, I can just do like this also, you know. Yeah, bro. I'm like too busy. See you later. And a lot of this bullshit. I know it's bullshit. So last up we have this badass pant that I thrifted. Well, like I brought like I think 4 pants. 4 of them are like thrifted. The 2 shirts that I wore are also thrifted. This and the first thing that I wore, which was like the white one, that are not thrifted. Okay. And yeah, one more top, the brown one, that is also thrifted. So last is this pant, and this after this, it like all comes down to this one. So let me wear this one with this thing, only same thing. Okay, so this one is the last pant that I have like thrifted, and I must tell you guys, this one is my favorite. Okay, and I'll tell you in a minute why it is. First of all, you just check out the outfit. So, I mean, again, it's like loose. I need to get all this pants fitted soon. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now, let me tell you why I love it so much. Okay, so for that, I think I need to be a bit close. Okay, is it visible? Okay, maybe. So I think it's visible. So the reason I like it, this pant has this thing. Damn, that's so good. I have never seen a pant like that. Just to let you know, this is the first time I saw this pant. Okay, so basically, if it's like loose for you, you can just pull it like that, and there's a Velcro over here. Just paste it like this. See, just pull it up and do a Velcro, and now it's supposed to be fitted. But yeah, that's not just a bad mistake. You know, I'm just way too thin for this. Other than that, this thing is so cool. The only thing I need to gain weight, I think, to maybe fit well in this. But yeah, this is crazy, man. I have never seen a fan like this. This is so comfortable, so good. The only thing my college doesn't allow any of the pants like this, but I still somehow I'll try to wear it. And yeah, this is the last fit that you're gonna see in this video, and I'm like, we are in the end of the video, so I must say you bye. And before that, I would like to just say one thing, which is that which was what? Yeah. So you can just comment down below. You know, you can suggest me more outfit. I can make like a lot of combination out of this clothes. But if you saw this and you immediately click off with a nice outfit with combination, you can just comment down like article 1 with article 2, like this. You know, make things like that, and then just comment down below. On my way to my college. So yeah, that's that. And this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching if you came till here. And I'm really thankful. So dhanyawad for watching, guys, and maybe soon I'll come up with more idea. And if you do like this video, do comment down for more parts. So whenever I go thrifting again, I'll just shoot that up like what I got. So this was a whole clothing haul, and yeah, just comment down below if you like it. So I'll make it more if you want it. And the last thing is that some people like really don't like thrifting, and I understand, but passing out comments like, you know, you should not wear it, it's used clothes, this and that. Do not do this, please. Okay? Because I don't really care. I have like my own logic for that shit. But yeah, I love thrifting. I'm gonna do every time I get a chance. So that's the thing. And they are making it way too long. I just forgot most of them. I had things to say, but I forgot it. We'll say in some other day. So yeah. And yeah, if you want to know location, I can tell that also. You can just DM me, or you know, I'll say it in the next video if you want. where I got this all. Maybe most of you would know this. Okay, bye guys. I won't stop talking. That is like my dumbest habit. And I'm just so happy again to have all these clothes. This was my first thrifting that I did, and I think I did pretty well. If you are like a regular thrifter, you would know. And just comment me, let me know that did I do a good job in finding these clothes, because I think I did. And yeah, that's it. I'm talking too much. I said this like 50 times, but this is the last one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video, and love you so much. Bye.